daily practice for English.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Tom.
How old are you?
I am 27 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from Italy.
What's going on?
Nothing much, just the usual.
Are you a teacher?
Yes, I am a teacher.
Do you study English?
Yes, I study English.
Where do you live?
I live in Rome.
Do you have a family?
Yes, I have a wife and 2 children.
What languages do you speak?
I speak English and German.
What time is it?
It is 3 o'clock.
What day is today?
Today is Saturday.
What is today's date?
It is November 30th.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am hungry.
What food do you like?
I like pizza and pasta.
Do you cook?
Yes, I cook sometimes.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is chicken.
Would you like some food?
Yes, please.
What do you do every day?
I work and study.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I walk every day.
When do you eat lunch?
I eat lunch at noon.
How do you go to work?
I take the bus.
What do you do on weekends?
I stay home and relax.
What is the weather like today?
It is sunny today.
Is it cold today?
No, it is warm.
Is it raining outside?
Yes, it is raining.
Do you like summer?
Yes, I like summer.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I like coffee.
Do you love music?
Yes, I love music.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music.
Do you like soccer?
Yes, I like soccer.
Do you read books?
Yes, I read books.
What do you do in your free time?
I like watching movies.
Do you play basketball?
Yes, I play basketball.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
Do you go to the gym?
Yes, sometimes.
What is your hobby?
I enjoy fishing.
Can you count from 1 to 10?
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
What is your phone number?
My number is 555-1234.
How many people are in your family?
4 people.
How much does it cost?
It is $5.
What time is lunch?
Lunch is at 12:30.
How much is this?
It costs $10.
Where do you go shopping?
I shop at the supermarket.
Do you need help?
Yes, please help me.
Do you have this in blue?
Yes, we have blue.
Can I try this on?
Yes, you can.
What size are you?
I am size medium.
What color do you like?
I like blue.
Is this yours?
Yes, it's mine.
Are those shoes new?
Yes, they are new.
Would you like to pay now?
No, not now.
Is the quality good?
Yes, it's good.
Do you like this one?
Yes, I like it.
Is it too big?
No, it's perfect.
Is it too expensive?
Yes, a little.
Which one do you prefer?
This one is better.
How do you feel today?
I feel good.
Are you tired?
Yes, I am tired.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am happy.
Are you sick?
No, I am well.
Do you feel okay?
Yes, I feel fine.
Do you have a headache?
No, I don't.
Do you need medicine?
No, thank you.
Are you in pain?
No, I'm okay.
Do you sleep well?
Yes, I sleep well.
Where is the bathroom?
Down the hall on the right.
How do I get to the station?
Go straight and turn left.
Is it far from here?
No, it's very close.
Where is the post office?
It's near the bank.
Can you show me the way?
Yes, follow me.
How do you travel to work?
By bus and train.
Do you have a car?
Yes, a small car.
Can you drive?
Yes, I can drive.
Is the school far?
It's near here.
How long will it take?
In 10 minutes.
What is your job?
I'm a nurse.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like it.
What do you study?
I study nursing.
Is your work difficult?
Sometimes it is.
Where do you work?
I work at a hospital.
Do you have a smartphone?
Yes, an iPhone.
Do you use your phone for work?
Yes, I use it for work.
Do you have an email address?
Yes, I have email.
Do you use the internet every day?
Yes, every day.
Can you help me with my computer?
Sorry, I can't.
What will you do tomorrow?
I will go shopping.
Are you free this weekend?
Yes, I'm free.
Can we meet tomorrow?
Yes, we can meet.
What time is good for you?
3 p.m. is good.
Where shall we meet?
At the coffee shop.
Are you late?
No, I'm on time.
Are you ready?
Sorry, yes.
What time do you start work?
I start at 9 a.m.
What time do you finish work?
I finish at 5 p.m.
Do you have time to talk?
Yes, I have time.
Are you thirsty?
Yes, I am thirsty.
Would you like some water?
Yes, please.
Are you cold?
No, I'm warm.
Do you need anything?
Yes, please. I need a pen.
Are you ready to start?
Yes, I am.
Which one would you like?
This one, please.
When is a good time?
Now is good.
Where would you like to sit?
Here is fine.
What would you like to drink?
Coffee, please.
Would you like sugar with your coffee?
With, please.
Do you need to leave?
Yes, I must go now.
Will I see you tomorrow?
Yes, see you tomorrow.
Have a nice day.
Thank you. You too.
Enjoy your evening.
You too. Thank you.
Will you come back?
Yes, I will return.
Are you ready to begin?
Yes, I am ready.
Can you help me?
Yes, I can help.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Do you have time right now?
Sure, I have time.
Can you speak slowly?
Yes, I will speak slowly.
Can you repeat that?
Yes, I will repeat.
Do you understand English?
A little. Please speak slower.
How much do you understand?
Like this. Little.
Can you write it down?
Yes, I will write it.
Can you open the window?
Yes, I will open it.
Can you close the door?
Yes, I will close it.
Is this seat free?
Sorry, this seat is taken.
Can I borrow a pen?
Sure, take this pen.
Where should I put this?
Put it here, please.
Are you okay?
No, I need help.
Should I call a doctor?
Yes, please call.
Where does it hurt?
Here. It hurts here.
Would you like some water?
Yes. Water, please.
Can you walk?
Yes, I can walk.
Are you sure about this?
Yes, I'm sure.
Is this correct?
Yes, it's correct.
Do you agree?
Yes,
I agree.
Is this yours?
Yes, it's mine.
Are you finished?
Yes, I'm done.
Are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Is it nearby?
Yes, very close.
Can you find it?
Yes, I can find it.
Is this the right place?
Yes, this is it.
Are you ready to go?
Yes, let's go.
Do you remember?
Yes, I remember.
Will you try?
Yes, I will try.
Is this important?
Yes, very important.
Do you need help?
Yes, please help me.
Are you done?
Yes, we are finished.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am hungry.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I like coffee.
Do you love music?
Yes, I love music.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am happy.
Do you sleep well?
Yes, I sleep well.
Do you agree with me?
Yes, I agree.
Are you here?
Yes, I'm here.
Do you remember me?
Yes, I remember.
Will you try again?
Yes, I will try.
Is it cold outside?
No, it is warm.
Are you sick?
No, I am well.
Do you have a headache?
No, I don't.
Would you like more food?
No, thank you.
Are you hurt?
No, I'm okay.
Are you ready now?
No, not now.
Are you late?
No, I'm on time.
Are you cold?
No, I'm warm.
Would you like some tea?
Yes, please.
Would you like more sugar?
No, thank you.
Have a good day.
Thank you. You too.
Take care.
You too. Thank you.
What would you like to drink?
Coffee, please.
Would you like milk with your coffee?
With, please.
Can I borrow your pen?
Sure. Take this pen.
Where should I place this?
Put it here, please.